Have you heard people calling Ngorokpala the new city of Imo State and wonder why? Well, it is not just a hype. Today, I'm going to tell you the reason why Ngorokpala is called the new city of Imo State. Number one, strategic location. Ngorokpala is home to Sam Mbakwe International Airport, and this makes the gateway to Imo State, which means this road can take you all the way from Ngorokpala to Abia State, Port Harcourt Express, Rivers State, Owerri City. Number two, development projects and infrastructure. For the past years, Ngorokpala has received massive attention looking at the dual carriage roads, the estate development, the schools and universities that are pumping in, Ebuka Zion Ministry, the Seraphic Hospital, the Seraphic Schools, and the Seraphic Water. This alone has brought much development to Ngorokpala. Number three, why people call it the new city. Why do people call Ngorokpala the new city? Actually, because there lands are very much affordable and appreciated. Prices ranging from 3 million to 6 million for a plot. And remember, a plot size is 465 square meters. And it's actually a residential and business hub for people who are actually running away from the congestion in Owerri. If you're actually looking for where the future of Imo State is built, Ngorokpala is the place. That is why it is called the new city. Do where to call the number displayed on your screen for more inquiries.